Working to play. Okay, here we are. I might have more videos on this. Getting drain tile in the 150-year-old basement. So this was a coal channel to a coal burning ring. So anyway, this video is tool of the day. This, the Bosch Brute. If you haven't bought one of those, it's one I bought, oh god, probably 2007, 2008. And let's put it to work. Show you what she can do. It's been handy all these years. Digging channels, digging dirt, anything like that. And we're gonna, it takes some manhandling. I'm gonna leave most of this channeling because I can drop my drain tile right in there. But here's your tool. Know where the cracks are. It's vibrating the whole basement. Holding it up there is the hard part. Right? There we go, broke through that one. I do not know why that corner won't let loose. That rock. There we go. Talking. Don't go too far, you get it stuck. Before you overdo it, that pulverizes it pretty good. And I can just come in here, snag these chunks out of here. Tool of the day. If you haven't bought it, buying it that long ago is a good investment. Buying it that long ago was a good investment. Didn't have to rent it all these years. Anytime you get into some of this random stuff, don't have to do it by hand. Tool of the day. Let's go. We're going to play 200% every day.